Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials in place before proceeding. Make sure your Apple Watch is on its charger and at least 50% charged, and keep your iPhone close with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap General, then Software Update. You do this because the iPhone downloads and stages the update. Starting here triggers verification and download. Allow the download to complete before installing, so you won't interrupt the integrity check. Tap Download and install and enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. This authorizes the process. You must allow the download to finish. Do not force close the Watch app or move the devices far apart, because interrupted downloads corrupt the package. Once downloaded, the WatchOS installer will verify the update integrity and prepare the watch. Verification prevents half-installed updates that can brick devices. If verification takes a while, be patient. It's ensuring a safe transition to WatchOS 10.6.1. Place your Apple Watch on its charger and keep your iPhone nearby. Installation can take 20 to 30 minutes and the watch will restart once complete. Make sure iOS and free storage requirements are met. Updates fail when space or compatibility is lacking. If installation fails, restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, confirm Wi-Fi/Bluetooth are active, then retry the update. As a final tip, unpairing and repairing can help, but only as a last resort since it triggers a full restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.